Client information page. Once you're on your client information page, you're going to see a few different fields here, and I'm going to go through them step by step. Now, let's say if you had, Joseph Smith had signed his e-waiver as a lead, that e-waiver will be transferred over to his client information page automatically once you convert that lead to a client. On this client information page, you also see an image box. Now with this image box, you can upload your client's images by using a webcam. You can have a webcam attached to your computer and leave it at your front desk. So whenever a person comes in, all you have to do is just click on the plus arrow, your webcam gets activated and you can take a picture. Account status is showing pending right now because we haven't created any memberships for this client yet. You're gonna see last seen data gets updated every time this person comes and checks in. Now, what I mean by check-in is that if you want to use a key tag, suppose people that are coming in and they're using the key tag to scan, that key tag barcode will go in this field here. However, I'm going to go through all that later on in another video. But just to give you a briefing on what the client information page entails, it has different, radio buttons. As you see, you can add notes. So if I was to click here, I can say he's a new client, need to sell equipment. Again, how we did same thing as we did with our lead page. We add the note on our client page and the note gets added with the date, the time, and who the user was who has added this note. Okay, again, now if you want to add any personal information, so now let's say if we want to add the address, so I'm just going to use let's say our office address, and then I'm just going to enter the postal code, emergency contact name, and phone number. If you have it, you can enter that. Secondary numbers, if you have, you can enter that. City, let's say, is Mississauga, and Ontario. Country is Canada, right? Again, now I can choose. We have already chosen mail from the lead info page, right? Just remember one thing, that anytime you add any new information, always remember to click the update button. This update button is almost like a save button, so everything that you have entered on this page gets saved automatically. So on your client information page, your e-waiver is going to show, your image box is going to show, your barcode for your key tags are going to show. Anytime they come and they scan their key tags, the last seen data will get updated. Their personal information shows here. Notes are here. Free status, I'm going to go over that in the next video, right? Their memberships, what kind of membership has been created will show below. Any appointments that you book for this client will show here. Any service informations are different levels and different programs that you assign this client will show below here as a service information as well. So we're going to go through all these step by step in other videos, but these are the basic information that you will find. Any equipment that they buy, they would be listed under purchases here, and again I will mention that in the next video as well. But these are the key fields on your client information page.